Welcome, riders. If you're over 50 and looking for adventure without the intimidation, you've come to the right place. The world of ATVs has something wonderful for everyone, especially those of us who value comfort, reliability, and manageable power. Today, we're focusing on excellent, affordable options available in the USA and Canada that prioritize a smooth ride, easy handling, and practical features. This isn't about raw power, it's about finding the perfect machine to explore trails, tend to property, or simply enjoy the outdoors at your own pace. Let's begin with a hallmark of reliability and user-friendliness, the Suzuki King Quad 400. This machine is a fantastic starting point. Its 400cc engine provides plenty of torque for trails and light work without being overwhelming. It's remarkably lightweight and nimble, making it easy to load onto a trailer or maneuver through tight woods. Suzuki's signature fuel injection ensures easy starts in any weather, and the overall low-maintenance design means you spend more time riding and less time tinkering. For its price, the King Quad 400 offers incredible value and peace of mind, a true workhorse that won't strain your budget. Stepping up in capability within the same trusted family, we have the Suzuki King Quad 500. This model shares the user-friendly DNA of its smaller sibling, but adds that extra bit of power and torque that can make a difference on steeper hills or when carrying a bit more gear. It often comes with upgraded features like independent rear suspension for a plusher ride over bumps and enhanced braking systems. The riding position is comfortable and upright, reducing fatigue on longer excursions. If you foresee needing that extra reserve of power for more varied terrain, the King Quad 500 is a superb mid-level choice that remains very accessible. Now let's look at a fierce competitor in this class, the Kawasaki Brute Force 450 4x4. Don't let the name fool you, this ATV is engineered for controlled, confident power. Its 450cc V-twin engine delivers its power smoothly, and the 4x4 system with a limited slip front differential provides exceptional traction when you need it, without being complicated to operate. The Brute Force is known for its sturdy, predictable handling and a very comfortable, well-padded seat. It's a robust machine that feels planted and secure on the trail, inspiring confidence for riders who want capability without unnecessary complexity. A brand that has been revolutionizing value in the powersports market is CF Moto, represented here by the C-Force 500. This ATV punches well above its weight class in terms of standard features. You often get amenities like a comfortable bench seat, a handy digital display, and true, easy-to-engage four-wheel drive. The 500cc engine is smooth and fuel-efficient. What makes the C-Force 500 so compelling for the mature rider is the incredible package of comfort and technology you get for a price that often undercuts the traditional brands. It's a fantastic option to consider if you want modern features without a premium price tag. For those whose heart leans towards sportier trail riding, even over 50, we have the legendary Yamaha YFZ 450R. Now this is a dedicated sport model. It's two-wheel drive and built for agility and performance. Why is it on this list? Because for the active rider who enjoys fast, open trails and the thrill of precise handling, it's in a league of its own. Its lightweight chassis, race-bred suspension, and responsive engine offer an exhilarating, connected to the trail experience. It requires a more active riding style, but for the fit rider seeking that sports car feeling on dirt, nothing beats it. Just know it's for riding, not for utility work. Similarly, in the pure sport category, we have the iconic TRX 450R. Honda's engineering excellence shines here with a potent 450cc engine known for its broad power band and reliability. Like the Yamaha, it's a purpose-built sport quad with long travel suspension to soak up whoops and jumps, and a lightweight frame for razor-sharp cornering. The TRX 450R has a storied racing heritage, and not performance DNA is accessible to any skilled rider. If your idea of fun is attacking a winding trail with precision and speed, and you appreciate Honda's bulletproof reputation, this is a top contender. Returning to the world of versatile 4x4 workhorses, we come to the Honda 4Trax Foreman Rubicon. This is perhaps the quintessential do-it-all ATV for the mature rider. Its name, Rubicon, signifies its go-anywhere ability. It features Honda's legendary durability, a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, and true 4x4 with a torque-sensing front differential for incredible traction. The Foreman Rubicon is neither the lightest nor the fastest, and that's its strength. It's steady, incredibly capable, supremely comfortable, and built to last for decades with minimal fuss. It's the trusted companion for hunting, fishing, property maintenance, or simply exploring with absolute confidence. Finally, we look at a popular offering from the brand that dominates the market, the Polaris Sportsman 450 HO. HO stands for high output, meaning this 450cc engine is tuned for more responsive power. But the real magic of the Sportsman line is in its ride and features. Polaris pioneered independent rear suspension, which gives this machine an unbelievably smooth, car-like ride over rough terrain, a huge benefit for comfort. It also features the versatile Polaris On-Demand True AWD system, which automatically engages front-wheel traction when it detects rear-wheel slip. This combination of a plush ride, smart AWD, and a very ergonomic design makes the Sportsman 450 HO incredibly easy and comfortable to ride all day long. So, which one is right for you over 50? It comes down to your primary mission. For pure utility and light trail riding on a budget, the Suzuki King Quad 400 or CF Moto C-Force 500 are stellar. For a balanced mix of power, comfort, and proven 4x4 capability, the Suzuki King Quad 500, Kawasaki Brute Force 450, or Honda Foreman Rubicon are fantastic. If ride comfort is your top priority, the Polaris Sportsman 450 HO is hard to beat. And if your soul craves sporty trail performance, the Yamaha YFZ 450R or Honda TRX 450R await. Remember, the best ATV is the one that fits your body, your budget, and your dreams of adventure. Visit your local dealers, sit on these machines, and ask about senior-friendly financing or demo days. The trail is calling, and with the right affordable ATV, your next great adventure is perfectly within reach. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there. Before we go, if you're still weighing your options, here's a quick 1-minute breakdown of which models might deserve a special closer look based on key priorities. If your absolute top concern is legendary, no-fuss reliability and timeless design, your shortlist should start and end with the Honda 4Trax Foreman Rubicon. It's the gold standard for a reason. If value and modern features per dollar is what gets your attention, you cannot ignore the CF Moto C-Force 500. The amount of comfort and technology it offers for its price point is truly disruptive.